Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm eating okra with injera and some chili. Very simple food. So first we apply the chili on top like this. Hot, 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 hot. In this situation, I don't trust the stalker woman that's here. I want to keep an eye on what's going on. If this competition ever gets started, this is nice. This is the okra. Thank you for your patience. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Super yummy. Okra, okra. Entry number 22, please give it up for Ava performing On My Own. Injera. We eat it by hand. See? Chili very hot. By the way, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I wish you have a good time. I wish you could go for dinner, me and my baby. But unfortunately, Victoria, they locked down again during the COVID-19. So, no way to go anyway, just watch the movie. Mmm. So yummy. Very, very yum. I'm eating too much chili. I love chili. I can't eat without chili. Chili is everything for me. Video, no makeup, nothing. Wash the face. That's it. I clean the house in the morning. I enjoy my food. I'll make it with the red meat. So delicious. In Sudan we eat it with عصيدة أو لقمة أو مع الكسرة، لكن هنا في أستراليا طبعا بس أنجيرة. I found kisra, the Sudanese food, one day in the one shop, but I don't like it because it not look like the real kisra. So, but I get it with the anjera. So yummy. This is the fried meat. Hot. okra is so yum. Very, very yum.
She's made a big mistake, and I'm coming after her. Gina, I want to talk to you because I'm putting a complaint in about her.
Very yum. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in next video. Cooking video. Bye.